Before starting, all music belongs to original creators that owned it, only for entertainment, and it's not meant to steal anything. And by all means, enjoy the animation.
Care to swap roles so you can lead teams on us?
Nowadays, sorry, I'm not swapping. No, fact is sick if you actually think of swapping roles. I was the one in prison for trying to kidnap Sunflower Gamer. I'll still be like over the next series after the other two. It would always be a no. Crater, can you get me up? Yeah, I had the same feeling. Gonna continue on the collab in 5 days.
Thank you.
Fine, I don't even want to swap being his dad since I'm from a different game anyway. Come on, guys.
Well, that was rather disappointing to hear.